Hi, I'm Divina and my register number is UK19CS1032. We are going to see few programs on implementation of control statements in C++. So the first program is among the three numbers you have to find the largest number with if conditions. Okay, first we have initialized the variables, then we ask the variables, we have to get through this. Then through if condition we are comparing each and every integers. So in first condition, so in first thing we are comparing a with b and c, and b with a and c, and c with a and b. So this is what the program is. Let's check the output. Okay, I'm giving three variables. Since 67 is the highest among these three, I got 67 as the largest number. So next, let's go to the next one. So in this we have to find the power of numbers using while loop. This was the condition which was given. So we are initializing the variables and we have given a while loop as such. We are in the question. We have satisfied the questions. Then we are asking if b is not equal, while b is not equal to 0. If so, it will go here and it will execute this part, which is b is equal to b minus 1 and d is equal to d star 1. Since we have initialized d is equal to 1, it won't be 0. The answer won't be 0, because if any number that is multiplied by 0 is 0. So we have given d of 1. So I give 2, 3. I got the output as 8, which is the 2 power 3 is 8. That's what we got the output as 8. So we can pass on to the next program. Third one. In this we are going to find the sum of first and the last number of a digit of n numbers. Okay, not n numbers, the numbers we give. Okay, first we are initializing few and we are getting the number, and we are seeing n is, and we are saying that n first is equal to n, which means the number we have got is equal to first. Then last is equal to n modulo 10, which means last is equal to n modulo 10, which means it will separate each and every numbers of the given number and takes the last digit alone. So through this for loop, for first is equal to n, we have given here first is greater than or equal to 10. If so, it will be, then first is equal to first divided by 10. Through this it will take the first number, and in this it will add the first and the last number. So let's see. Now this is what the number I have given. I got the output as 4 because first digit is 2 and the last digit is 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So that's all this question is. Then fourth question. In this we are going to check whether a number is equal to the sum of divisors of the number including itself. If it is equal, display as valid input, otherwise we have to display not valid input. Okay, so we have initialized and we have given a for loop to get each and every numbers. If a modulo I is equal to 0, it will go to b equal to b plus 1. Then again we have given a for loop to check whether it is valid or not valid. If b is equal to a, it will be valid. If not, it is not valid. So let's see. So I'm giving the number 28. Yeah, it's a valid input. So in this, the last question of this exercise, for given integer number, find the factorial value and count number of trailing zeros in it. Okay, here we have initialized and we are going to reverse the number. So we have given reversed number equal to 0. Then we are getting the number, and then we are giving a for loop. Then we are saying that b is equal to b star a, which is we are finding the factorial through this. Okay, then we are changing this into making it into a string format. Then if while we are using a while loop here, while b is not equal to 0, and this part will be executed. If not, if this condition is satisfied, this part will be executed. Remainder equal to b modulo 10, which means it will see each and everything digits will be separated from the last. Then reverse number equal to reverse number into 10 plus remainder. Since we have initialized above, reverse number equal to 0. So the remainder part will be given, and we are changing this reverse number into a string format, and we are seeing the length, and then it will give the difference of x and y. Only then we will be getting the output. So I give 120. I got the answer as 0. And let's see. I give 5. I got one. First, what the program does is, first it will see the factorial of 5 and it will see the trailing zeros in it, and then it will should give you the output, how many trailing zeros are there in your program, in your factorial number. So that is what about the implementation of control statements in C++. Thank you for listening.